Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Everydoggy dog training app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Everydoggy is a dog training app designed to help dog owners teach essential obedience skills, improve behavior, and strengthen communication with their pets. It offers guided video lessons created by professional trainers, covering topics like potty training, leash manners, barking control, crate training, commands, and puppy basics. The app also includes step-by-step programs tailored for different ages and behavior issues, making it useful for both new dog owners and those looking to correct specific habits. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in real use. Many users appreciate the clear instructions, structured training plans, and progress tracking features. The bite-sized lessons make it easy to train dogs consistently without overwhelming them. Users also find the behavior correction tips practical for managing common problems like jumping or chewing. The app's visual demonstrations help clarify timing and technique, which is important for effective dog training. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some advanced lessons and full training programs require a paid subscription. Certain users mention that results depend heavily on the dog's temperament and owner consistency, meaning the app isn't a magic fix. There are also occasional reports of limited customization for unique behavior issues. In summary, the Everydoggy app may be worth using if you want structured dog training guidance, clear demonstrations, and programs suited for puppies and adult dogs. However, if you prefer in-person training or need highly customized behavior plans, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.